Hello guys, and thank you for watching this help video. Here I'm going to explain how to identify the zeros of this function in the factored form. So here we have a polynomial function f of x, and the factors of this are 5x, x plus 3, x minus 3, and x plus 4. Our zeros, our x-intercepts, are going to be the following. They're going to be 0. The factor to make this equal to 0, or I'm sorry, the value of x to make this equal to 0 would have to be negative 3. Positive 3 for this one right here, and negative 4. So it's just simply the opposite of these values. So since we need each one of these factors to equal to 0, this x value would have to be negative 3 to add with positive 3 get 0, and this would have to be a positive 3 to subtract 3 to make that equal to 0. And then similarly, this value of x would have to be a negative 4 when added with positive 4 to equal that to 0. And of course, this one right here is not adding or subtracting anything. So the only thing that we need to make this factor 0 is the value 0 itself. Now, what about the multiplicities? Well, the multiplicities correspond to the concept of how many times does x equal 0, does x equal negative 3, x equal positive 3, and x equal negative 4. Well, it correlates again to the degree of that factor. So here, because we have x to the first power, that has a multiplicity of 1. So this means that x is going to equal to 0 one time. Now, since this factor is raised to the second power, that means that x equals negative 3 a total of 2 times. So the multiplicity of this is 2. The multiplicity of 3 will be 6, and the multiplicity of negative 4 is positive 7. So there are your zeros and the multiplicities of each zero.